Ladies and gentlemen, we have more leaks. What's up? It's Chris the Drone Geek, and welcome to another episode of Let's Talk Drones. As you can tell, I'm pretty excited on this episode for a couple of different reasons. First of all, it is 4th of July weekend. Next week is the 4th of July, and I've got some plans that have got me really excited, especially when it relates to flying my drone. And the other reason is exactly why you're here. There are new leaks for the DJI Air 3. Now, I know in the past I have expressed some skepticism about whether or not I'll be jumping in and buying this drone, but it doesn't make me any less excited when I see a leak from DJI. And these are more official than we've seen in the past for the Air 3. These seem to be the marketing images that you'd find on DJI's website, as well as third-party distributors of DJI tech that you would find when you're going to buy this drone. I'm talking pictures of the drone and the packages that come with it. So let's not waste any more time just talking about it. Let's look at these images together. And we're starting with the big kahuna. This is the DJI Air 3. Now, looking at this, you can tell a few different things about this new drone. First of all, it is absolutely modeled after its big brother, the Mavic 3. And that's not unusual. Since the DJI Mavic Air 2, this drone has been modeled after the Mavic series of drones. I would expect to see more of that in the future as DJI continues to innovate and come out with more renditions of each drone. The other thing that you can tell is that we are going to get a dual sensor on this camera. Now, I don't know what this is actually going to mean for the size of the sensor. I don't think it's going to be a 4/3 sensor. That would absolutely cannibalize the Mavic 3 OG and the Mavic 3 Classic. Nobody would go out of their way to buy those drones anymore if you gave this drone a 4/3 sensor. But what I do think it's going to have is a 1-inch sensor with a telephoto lens on the top, much like we saw in the original Mavic 3. Now, we don't have any information on how the telephoto lens could operate, or even if that is a telephoto lens. I would assume it is, but we don't have any firm confirmation. All I know is the camera body looks a little bit smaller than that of the Mavic 3, the Mavic 3 Classic, and the Mavic 3 Pro. So for that reason, I don't think we're getting a 4/3 sensor with the Air 3. I think they're going to stick at 1 inch, which is a good business decision in my opinion. Moving on to our next photo, we've got a picture of the DJI Air 3, 2 batteries, the smart controller, and the battery charging hub. Again, this just reinforces that this drone is taking after its big brother, the Mavic 3. You can see in the battery design, they have also adopted what they did with the Mavic 3 as well. The DJI RC though, there are some rumors about the smart version as well as the standard version getting an upgrade, meaning new versions of those controllers. Compatibility backwards, I'm not sure what that looks like, or forwards for that matter. I have just heard whisperings that we are going to get a new version of each RC. How true that is, again, I don't know. That's maybe the only new leak that I can provide you information-wise on this video. And speaking of the controller and the package that comes with the DJI Air 3, let's take a look at the 3 different packages they're offering for it. First and foremost, we've got the basic package. We've got the drone with 1 battery, 1 set of propellers, the DJI RCN1 or possibly the RCN2 from what I'm hearing, the 2 connecting cables, and of course, your charging hub. The next package looks to be the Fly More combo. You get that standard RCN2 or N1, depending upon how true those rumors are. You get the drone, you get 3 batteries, extra propellers, as well as a carrying case and a charging hub for those extra batteries. And our final package looks to be the Pro package. You get everything you get with the Fly More combo, as well as that upgraded smart controller. Again, I don't want to get too excited because I don't plan on rushing out and buying the DJI Air 3. Not because I don't think it's a super capable drone. I know it will be, but because I don't know what they're going to do with this in terms of more versions in the future. Are they going to have an Air 3S? And if so, what's going to be the differentiation between those 2 drones? Will they have an Air 3 Classic absent that telephoto lens that we're seeing on the marketing images? I don't know, and I'm going to wait to see what they do with the Air series of drones. All I know is I am excited that DJI's got a new drone, and in an upcoming video, you'll see we have leaks for another new drone from DJI. It's a very exciting time for DJI amid all of the controversy regarding House Bill 2864. This is a shorty today, guys. Like I said, I'm out of here after this for my 4th of July weekend. I hope you have a happy and safe 4th of July. Let me know what you think about the DJI Air 3 leaks, these latest leaks. Are you excited about it? Do you plan on going out to get it? What do you think of this drone and the potential for it? Let me know down in the comments below. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up down below as well. And if you really like this video, you love drone content made by drones, about drones, and for drone pilots, this is the channel for you. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit the bell icon. You'll get a notification every time I post a new video. Until next time, I'm Chris, the Drone Geek, and I am out of here. Happy 4th of July.
Yo, what you say? Steady screaming, YOLO rock.